Good morning, dear student. Our lesson number 4 of geography, that agriculture is going on, and yesterday we seen the cropping pattern. Today, once we are going to take the quick review about that. We seen yesterday the Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. These three types of the cropping pattern. The first one is their Rabi. Rabi season start with the beginning of the winter and continues till the beginning of the summer. It means October to December it is start until April to June it it is there. Then Rabi crops included in the Rabi crops, which types of the crops we seen, that wheat, barley, gram and oil seeds. These are the Rabi production. After Rabi crops, we seen the Kharif crops, and among the Kharif crop, the season of Kharif is started in the beginning of winter, that is June, July, September to October. Okay, so that Kharif crops included the rice, maize, millets, cotton, jute, groundnuts, moong, urad. Likewise, the products or likewise the crops are included in the Kharif crop. Then we seen about the Jaith crop. This is a short crop, which is a short seasonable crop, and it is the season between the Rabi and Kharif season. The crops like the watermelon, musk melon, cucumber, then some vegetables, some kinds of vegetables and fodder crops are found during that season, that we call as Zaid crops. Now we are today we are moving towards the important or the major crops. Among the major crops, there are the many main crops are came inside that. So, which are the major crops that we are gonna learn today? The variety of a food and non-food crops are grown in the different parts of the country, depending upon the variations in the soil, climate, depending upon the cultivation practices. And that major crops are depending upon the how the soil is in that particular area. Then upon the cultivation practices also depend the major crops. And then we can say about the nature also, means maximum times it is depend that crops are depend upon the nature, how the climate is there, and with the climatic condition we need a good kind of soil for that particular crops. The major crops grown in India are the rice, wheat, millet, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton and jute. That all are the major crops. So one by one we are going to see some major crops. Okay, here is given the tree diagram. You have to see कि India produce 51 major crops. Then first we are gonna see here the rice. Okay, the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. You know the rice. In the big number of the rice production has been taken in India, or it is generally it is taken in India. So it is the staple food crop of a majority the people of in the India. Our country is the second largest producer of the rice in the world after the China. Then it is the Kharif crop. जो rice है, rice is the kharif type of the crop which requires the high temperature and high humid atmosphere with the annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. Means rice crops need the high temperature with the humidity, and with that they need the rainfall also above 100 centimeter. In that region we found the rice crop. See, in that map is given that green area is the major producer of the rice crop. Grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas means where we found that type of the crops. So we found the rice crops in the plains of the north and eastern India and coastal area and the deltating regions. Then development of the dense network of a canal, irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in area of less rainfall such as the Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of the Rajasthan. Means in nowadays we are founding ki where the rice production was in less number, so that states also enjoying that production with the water, means that region now having a water availability, so in that region also rice production is now in the progress. Now see that green part which already I shown to you, that is in the peak number of the rice productive area. Now we are going towards the wheat. The wheat is the second most important cereal crop. Wheat is the cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This rabi crop requires a cool growing season. Means that wheat requires the cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Means with the cool atmosphere, that crops need the bright sunshine also. It requires the 50 to 75 centimeter annual rainfall, even, uh, evenly distributed over the growing season. There are the two important wheat growing zones in the country, the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and the black soil region of the Deccan. So that in the two parts of the India we found the wheat production. Now the major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. So first keep in mind student key what is the differentiate between the rice crop and between the wheat crop. So generally first difference is there key that rice is the both are the food crop, okay, and rice which type of the crop, kharif crop, and wheat which type of the crop, yes, wheat crop is the rabi crop. Wheat is the rabi crop. And next difference we can see here ki rice is need the more rainfall rather than the wheat. More than 100 centimeter need the rice and wheat need the 75 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall. Now then after we see ki atmosphere, the both the crops need the different kind of the atmosphere. We see rice need the humid atmosphere, and that wheat crops need the cool atmosphere, okay. Then important wheat zone, which are the important wheat zone, Ganga Satluj plains and black soil region in the Deccan. It means wheat needed the black soil and rice needed the red soil. Then major wheat producing states are, so where we found generally the wheat production, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. There we found the wheat production. Now we are moving forward. See that the pink portion which is shown the wheat productive area in the map. Then millets. Millets, under the millets there is the jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as the coarser grain, and we call that the coarser grain because they have the very high nutritional value rather than the rice and wheat, so that we call them the coarser grains. So other micronutrients and the rockage, jar is the third most important food crops with the respect to area and the production. Means after the wheat and rice there is the jar is in the third number, means is in the third position, okay. The jar is the third most important food crop with the respect to area and the production, and it is the rain-fed crop grown in the moist area. Means that jar production is generally is taken upon the moist area. So Maharashtra is the largest producer of the jar, followed by the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra grown Bajra grown well on the sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer followed by the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. So in this state we found generally that coarser crops that are the jowar, bajra and ragi. Ragi it means that नाचनी जो रहती है ना नाचनी and that is very important. You know the नाचनी it means the ragi is very important crops and it produced in the dry regions and grow well on the red, black and sandy, loamy and shallow black soil. The major ragi producing states are the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, then Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. You know that again that जो रागी है रागी provides us high level in the high level of calcium, then this ragi provides us iron and calcium, so that this crop is very important. Then we can see here the maize it is the crop which is used both as the food and the fodder, means we call that crop food crops also and fodder crop also. Kharif crop which require temperature between the 21 to 27 degrees Celsius and grow well in the alluvium soil. That maize is inside the Kharif crop and this kind of crop need the 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius temperature. In some states like the Bihar, maize is grown in the Rabi season also. Use of the modern infuse such as the HYP. What is the mean of the HYP? It is the kind of the new seeds. This is a type of the seeds and this productivity of that seeds is more than the common seeds. So that's HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigations have contributed to the increasing production of the maize. Then major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. This is the productive area of the maize. Then we are coming towards the pulses. So India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of the pulses in the world. You know कि without pulses, you know dear student कि pulses अगर नहीं है तो जो इंडिया में मैक्सिमम लोग हैं वो पल्सेस ही लेते हैं रोज़ डाइट में. अगर पल्सेस नहीं हमने ली तो हमारे जो हमें हमारे बॉडी को जो नीड है प्रोटीन्स की वो क्या हो जाएंगी, कम हो जाएंगी. तो इंडिया इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर एज वेल एज द कंज्यूमर ऑफ द पल्सेस इन द वर्ल्ड. These are the major sources of the protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Can you distinguish? Can you distinguish which of these pulses are grown in the Kharif season and which are grown in the Rabi season? Pulses need the less moisture and survive even in the dry condition. Being the leguminous crops, all these crops except are help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from their air. Now here new words is came. Leguminous crop means they store the soil fertility. That such a kind of crop store the soil fertility. तो all these crops except आहार को छोड़ के बाकी जो ऐसे लिग्मिनियस क्रॉप्स है वो सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को रिस्टोर करते हैं और नाइट्रोजन भी फिक्स करते हैं, नाइट्रोजन भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं एयर में. तो देयरफॉर दीज आर मोस्टली ग्रोन इन द रोटेशन विच द अदर क्रॉप्स. Major pulses producing the state in India are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. In that area we generally found the production of the pulses. I hope you understand the food crops, main food crops. So in short we seen first which food crops? Rice. After rice we seen about the wheat, then maize, then millet and now we seen about the pulses. So dear student, till that you have to read the lesson properly. Got it? And next portion, food crops other than the grains, that we are going to see in our next video. Thank you.